Dear students, welcome to online live class 5 English version. Again, this is your Kamral sir. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. I hope you are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today again we will discuss chapter 5. So, it will be our part 2. In the previous class, also we discussed about chapter 5. The basic conception of factors, multiples, LCM and GCF. Now today we will solve another problem on chapter 5. Now dear students, look, already I have written a creative question pattern. You can see that there are 6 problems according to this information. Now you can say, sir, in our exam we get 2 or 3 or 4 option in our creative question, but here I have written 6 because this is our practical session. This is our practical part. Now this is not our standard format. If I give more option, it will be help us for learning. Clear, dear students? So don't worry, when you will get your exam, then you will get 3, 2 or 4 option. That means AB or ABC or ABD. Okay, now dear students, look, Kamrul sir wants to distribute 42 mangoes, 84 bananas and 105 apples among the students equally. That means no fruits will be left. Now a number question said that write all the factors of 42. B, C, D and E and F finally. So dear students, step by step we will solve. And remember that must be you have to follow the process which now I am going to write. Clear, dear students? Now look, first our answer A. Write all the factors of 42. You can write the factors of 42 equal dot dot. You can write it, but at first I will show you for you. Number A, you can write, we know 42 equal 1 into 42. Dear students, look, 42, you can write 1 into 42. Now 2 into 21. How? If you divide 42 by 2, our answer will be 21. So we can write 2 into 21, also it will be 42. Now if we divide by 3, now what will be the answer? It will be 14. So we can say 3 into 14 equal 42. Now if we write 4, not possible. 5, not possible. 6, yes, we can divide. Then 6 into 7, 42. Now what will be the next? 7. Now 7 into 6, it will be 42. Now dear students, look, 6 into 7 and 7 into 6, both are the same things, so not necessary to write 7 into 6 because it will be repeated part. Now you can write, now write the factors of 42 are which one? Dear students, now write 1, now write 2, this one 3, this 6, now go this 7, this is 14, this is 21 and finally 42. So like this one, at first write this one, then go to this one. At first write this 4-1, then write this 4-1. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. Very simple process. Clear? But if you write only this sentence, the factors of 42 are this and this one, you will get full marks. But if at first you write this one, it will be help you for you. Clear? Now you can see, you can write it. Or otherwise, you can write this one as a rough page, then you can write only answer, because this will contains 1 marks or 2 marks. Clear? Now that means by using this process, you will be able to know the factors of any number. Clear, dear students? Now we will go to the our question number B. Look, B number question said that write all the prime factors. This is also factors, but it will be prime factors. We know the factors which are prime number. This is called prime factors. Now we have to find the prime factors of 105. Now you can apply to find the prime factors as like a Euclid process. Dear students, remember, when you have to find the only factors, then you can apply the times table process. But when you have to find the prime factors, then you should apply LCM process. Clear? Now this is 105. Now prime number we know 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. They are prime number, we know. Now at first, dear students, 2. We can't divide 105 by 2. So now we can go 3. Now if we divide by 3, now it will be 35. Now again if we divide by 3, yes dear students, it's not possible. Now we can go to the 5, next one 5. Now 5, it will be 7. Now 7, if we divide by 7, it will be 1. Not necessary. You can show it or you can stop there. Clear, dear students? Now we can write 3, 5, 7. So we can write the prime factors of 105 are 3, 5 and finally 7. So dear students, now we can write the prime factors of 105 are 3, 5 and 7. This, now if there are, suppose there are 3, 3, but you have to write only 1, 3. Clear, dear students? Because we have to write prime factors. So this one, suppose like this one, suppose 12 to this 6, again to this 3. Now what will be the prime factors of 12? So we can write prime factors of 12 are 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Not necessary to write, 2, 2, 3. No, not necessary. Only you can write 2 and 3. Because this is 2. But how many 2's? Not necessary to show it. So this is our prime factors. Clear, dear students? As like as Euclid process. That means LCM system. Now dear students, our next question. C number, express 84 as prime factorization. And we know what is the prime factorization in our previous class. We have to multiply. Prime numbers. Then answer will be 84. Clear? So as like similar to process B number. Now C number 84. Now if we divide by 2, it will be 42. Now again if we divide by 2, it will be 21. Now we have to choose 3. Now 3, it will be 7. Now not necessary, so we can write, therefore 84 equal, we can write by multiplying this one, 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. That means answer will be 84. This process, this system is called prime factorization. So we can say this is our answer. So when you have to show as a prime factorization, that means product of prime numbers, then you have to write all numbers. But if we write what is the prime factors of 84, then we have to say answer 2, 3 and 7. It's not necessary to show double 2, only 1, 2, 2, 3, 7. This is the prime factors of 84. But when prime factorization, then we have to multiply all numbers. Clear, dear student? So very simple. So now we can say it will be more easy for our to give the answer of A, B, C type of question. Now dear students, D number, find the LCM of these three numbers 42, 84 and 105. Already we know. Now dear students, problem number D. At first 42, 84 and 105. Now dear students, we know this is our UP process. This is the smartest process. Now here we have to take any prime numbers, but remember there are three numbers. Among three numbers, at least two numbers it will be divisible by the prime numbers. Which one we will collect? Here suppose this is 2. Now it will be divided 21. It will be 42, but 105 not possible. So we have to write 105. So it will be unchanged. Now look, now if we again take 2, not possible. Only 42 will be possible. But we need at least 2. Clear? Minimum 2 numbers. So we can't take 2 now. Now we can go 3. Now if we take 3, it will be 7. Now 42, it will be 14. And it will be 35. Clear? Here all numbers are divisible by 3. But not necessary to divide all numbers. At least 2 we can choose it. Now dear students, now if we take 5, it will be divisible, but not 7 and 14. If we take 7, then this and this will be divisible. So we have to go 7. Now it will be 1, it will be 2 and it will be 5. Now 1, 2, 5. Look, 1, this is the number of unit. 2, prime number. 5, also prime number. That means it can show not possible to explain again. So we can stop our process. Now we can write therefore LCM of 42, 84 and 105 equal. What will be the answer? Multiply this one. 2, 3, 7, again 2 and 5. Now dear students, look, what will be the answer? Look, this is 2 3 ja 6, 6 7 ja 42. Very simple, you can calculate. And look, this is 5 2 ja 10. Now 42 and 10, it will be 4 2 0. So very simple, you can multiply it. So it is 420. Now dear students, look, this one like as kind of prime factorization. Clear? So we have to multiply all this number, then the product will be our required LCM. So we can say LCM of the 42, 84 and 105, it is 420. Now next question, E number, find the maximum number of students to whom Kamrul sir can distribute the among these items, that means mangoes, bananas and apples. Now dear students, maximum, we know maximum, this is indicate highest, greatest, and greatest means GCF, dear students. So we have to find the GCF. To solve the E, we have to find the GCF. So now at first we can write E number. To find the maximum, or we can say, or we can write the maximum number of students it will be best. We can write maximum number of students will be equal to the GCF of 42, 84 and 105. So we can say the GCF, it will be the indicate maximum number of students. So we have to find the GCF because maximum indicate greatest. This is GCF. So now dear students, as a Euclid process, I will show the two process. At first Euclid process 42, 84 and 105. Now dear students, if we take 2, these 2 1 will be divisible but 105 not. Now if we take 3, now 42, if we divide by 3, now it will be 40. Now 84, it will be 2 and then 24. So what will be the answer? 28. Now 105, this will be 35. Now again dear students, if we take 3, not possible. If we take 5, not possible. Now if we take 7, now dear students, already you know, remember that for HCF you have to take this prime number which will be divisible, which will divide the all numbers. Here 3 numbers will be divisible by this number. Then we have to take that the prime number, this prime number. Now if we take 7, dear students, if we take 7, now it will be, remember, look, 2 times, it will be our 4 times and it will be our 5 times. Now not possible. So now we have to multiply this to 1. So we can, therefore GCF equal 3 into 7. That means what is the answer? This is equal 21. Now dear students, we can say that for maximum number of students, we can say maximum number of students is 21 students. So this is our answer. Clear dear student? So you can apply Euclid process to find the GCF. Or dear students, you can also apply division process. When you go to the class 6, then you will get a division process. Now you can say, sir, it will we will get in class 6. Now is it possible to apply in class 5? Yes, you can apply. This is no problem. Now dear students, what is the division process? At first take small to 1, 42 and 84. Now 42, 84. Now divide, this is 2 times. Now done. But always you have to divide it. This is like division process but not actual division process. Are clear? Now this is 42 divided by 2. So we can say 42 is the GCF of these two one. 42 and 84. Their GCF is 42. Now this 42 will go to the remaining number, that means 105. So now we can write and 42 divided 105. Now it is 2 times 84. Now look dear students, remainder 21. Now this remainder will divide the previous divisor. So now 42, 21 will divide 42. Now this is 2 times. Now we can get 42. Now look here, who is the last divisor? Now which one is the last divisor? Last divisor. This last divisor indicate GCF. In our division process, like a division process, the last divisor indicate the GCF. Look, here divisor is 42, here 42, and at last 21. So we can say our GCF is 21. Now you can apply division process or you can apply Euclid process. Anyone you can apply. Clear dear students? Okay. Now our last question, how many fruits will each student get? How many fruits? So at first we have to find mangoes, how many bananas, and how many apples. Then we can add, then we will get total number of fruits. Now dear students, so at first we have to divide. There are how many students, dear students? Maximum 21 students. So dear students, now we can write F number. Each student will get, now if we divide, this is 42 divided by 21 mangoes. 21 mangoes. Now, so it will be 2 mangoes. Now, 84 divided by 2 bananas. That means 4 bananas, and 105 divided by 21 apples. That means 5 apples. So totally, therefore, in total, each student will get, now we have to find the fruits. How many fruits? Fruits, that means total, mangoes, bananas, apples. So we can write, there are 2, there are 4, and there are 5 fruits. So dear students, how many? 9 and 2, 11. So we can say they will get 11 fruits. So dear students, you can say very simple process. Now your homework, you have to practice more. Go to your exercise 5 and solve all the problem. Clear dear students? In your exercise 5, solve all the problem. Now you will be able to solve by showing our this process and watching these 2 videos on chapter 5. Clear dear students? So thank you very much. No more today.